Assalamualaikum dear friends, this is Mujahid Hussain with another video lecture. Hope you all are doing well at your homes. Yes friends, as you know, currently we are working on PowerPoint, and last time we created the slides, and also we gone through the different tabs which are available in MS PowerPoint, and we saw that what are the things are available in different tabs and what we can do, or what the functions or what the things we can perform from the different tabs. So now in this lecture I have created slides, in which I have chosen a topic of computer, and in which the contents are what is computer, main parts of computer, hardware, software, data, and these are the different contents. We will learn about these contents, and we will apply the design, transitions, animations to these slides, on these slides. So first of all, computer, and if you want to change the font, so you can change the font. That can be set according to your choice. Like I have selected this font for my topic, and from insert tab I am going to insert a logo, from pictures insert. I am going to insert a logo of IBA Muzaffar University, and this I will set this logo on each page of each slide. So what will I do? Instead of inserting again and again, just click on this one and press Ctrl plus C for copy, and then paste this logo on each slide. Select the slide and just press Ctrl plus V. Then see, now my logo is on each slide. After inserting the logo, now we are going to move on the design. In design, there are number of themes are available, like this one. These are the different logo, the different themes which can be applied on these slides. Like I have selected this one, and now I am going to set the logo below here, and it could be a very suitable. Selected this one, remove from here and place it here. Remove this one, then place here. Remove this one, paste here. Remove this one, then paste. Remove, paste, and remove this one. Delete this one and paste the new logo here. It could be a very suitable that. After inserting the logo, now you can perform another task. Like what you can do, you can go through the variants and change the color of the slides. I am going to select this color for my slides. After selecting the color, you can also change the font of your presentation. I am selecting this one. After this one, you can also set the background, any one from these all you can also customize. So I have selected this one. After the design, now we are going through the transitions. Transitions are applied on slides. Transitions for slides. So in which way you want to see the slide? Like I am going to apply this on the very first slide. Then I will go through a preview, press F5 key, then see this is the very first page of my slide. When the slide will appear, then After pressing any key, you will see the text on your slide, Computer by Mujahid Hassan. So now I have applied on first this one, and after the first slide I am going to apply the transition on other one. So for second one I am applying this, and for the third I am applying this, for the fourth I am applying this one, and for the fifth I am applying this one, for the sixth rep, for the seventh same, for the eighth same. So these are the different, you can apply the different transitions on each slide. Like I have applied the same on the 7th slide, and on the very first I have applied the changed or totally changed. So after the transitions, now you can go to the animations, and animations, as I told you that animations for text. So for the first one I have applied bounce, and so this can be as one object, and the second and the third. After this one, now move to another one, like title should be bounce, and these slides like fly in. On the third slide, what is computer, this should be like bound, and these slides like clock. This one bounce, and these topics on the next one bounce and clock. Software bounce, and on these apply the numbers. On the 7th slide, on the title, select the bounce, or anyone, you can select any type. Like on the for the title I am selecting the bounce, and on other text I am selecting the totally change. So now I want to see that in which way and in which method all the slides are being displayed. So just press F5 key, then see. This is my first slide, and then press any key, then see the topic name, and press Mujahid Hussain. After the first one, now see the way in which way the slide appears, and then topic, content. This is the content. What is computer? Main parts of a computer: hardware, software, data, and user. These are the subtopics. Topics are available in my presentation. After this one, this is the layout of slide, and now see first of all computer from Latin word compute, which means to calculate, and it is an electronic device. It is a calculating machine or device. Then see the next slide, in which main parts of computer: hardware, software, data, user. These are the main parts of a computer, which makes a complete computer. If you don't have a software, then you can't run a computer. If you don't have a data, then you can't work on a computer. If there is no user, then who will operate the computer? If you are making the computer automatic, then the person is also available who will make the automatic computer. So without user, your computer is nothing. After this one, we have hardware. In hardware, the physical components which can be seen and touched, and the device like keyboard, mouse, speaker are the example of hardware. After the hardware, we have software, and the software can be seen but we can't touch. Software are used for specific purpose by users, variety of work. Like I am using the different software, like if I have to go through for documentation, then I will use MS Word. As I created a presentation, then I have used MS PowerPoint. You can use for antivirus for your PC's protection, and there are number of antiviruses are so you can use any one according to your choice. Skype, VLC Player, 321 codec, or AudioJet. These are the example of different players. Adobe, Photoshop, etc. For you can use those. Google Chrome, Opera, UC browser, or number of browsers are available. So you can use any one according to your choice. So after the softwares we have data basically data or raw materials processed by computer into meaningful information. Actually we cannot understand what is data when it is in a raw form, but we can understand the information. So information is for user and data is for computer. Data can be in different format, like data can be in a text form, image form, audio, and in a video format. And last, user, the one who operates a computer, the person who handles or works on computer, that is known as a user. As now I am working on the computer, that I am a user. So if you are using a computer, means you are a user of you are user. So these are the different transitions or animations we have applied on our slides. Now we can see these options and from these options. So if I want to start, like I am on slide number 4, so you can see that I am slide number 4. So if you click on this from beginning, then you will start from the very first. The presentation will be start from the very first slide. And if you want to start from this fourth one, then just press on from the current slide. So slide number 4 is on the screen. So these are the things which we have to learn in this session, and we have covered. Now make a presentation, make a slide on the different topics, like you can work on hardware and take the different hardware, like input devices and output devices, and like the third one is both, like input and output. Like we have an example of scanner. A scanner can scan, and a scanner can print as well. So take the different types of hardware, topic hardware, and elaborate it and make a presentation as you can do for your practice, and then send it me on my email address. I'm going to write my email here, like email address is hussain.mujahid@gmail.com. So I am placing my email address on very first page. So go through my email address, and then send me whatever you are working or doing. Insert it, go through Word art, and I am removing this one, and this is a difficult text to understand. So this is my email address. Create your own presentation, your own slides, and then text me, then send me on my Gmail. I will check that one and give you marks. And that one, this is your task. This is my Gmail address. So go through this one, send me, and you can also send me on WhatsApp, and this is my WhatsApp now, 0307310857. is my WhatsApp number. If you don't have a Gmail account, so first of all try to create that one, and otherwise send me on WhatsApp. I will check that one. Is there any question, then comment. Stay home, stay blessed, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.